What's up, you guys? I am back with another video, and today's video is based around hair that I received from Supreme. I remember using this particular brand of hair years ago. Those of you who have been following me, y'all know I love the hair. The name of this hair is called Series, and this hair is made of 100% Toyokalon fibers. Inside of the pack there are 2 bundles. On each bundle there are a total of 4 smaller bundles folded in half, and if you choose to cut the hair in half, it will be a total of 8. So inside of each pack there are a total of 16 bundles when cut in half. I used a total of 3 packs for this installment. Most Kinky Twist hair that I bought in the past, they always came in 2 bundles, but the hair was usually very straight at the tip. So you had to cut off maybe an inch or 2 just to get to the Kinky Twist hair. But with this one, the hair is just super long. So you can either install a super long twist, or you can just cut it right down the middle and all of the inches go to the twist. Before I started my installment process, I prepped the hair that I was going to crochet in. I grabbed a long piece of hair. This isn't the same brand, this would be the Marley twist hair. I grabbed that hair, I tied one end to a chair and the other end to a chair. And then I proceeded to take the Kinky Twist hair, loop it around the Marley twist hair, and begin twisting. I would twist all the way down to the end. Keep in mind that with the Kinky Twist hair, it is not like the Marley twist hair. With Marley twist hair, you would twist as you're twisting. But with the Kinky Twist hair, you will just twist as is. Once the hair is twisted, when you release the hair, it will shrink up and it will cause a fat, neat twist. I've learned that my neatest Kinky twists come from keeping it very simple. Okay, so for the installment, as you guys can see, I have cornrows going straight back, and I left my frontal out. I usually tuck in my last braid with my latch hook, or if you need better security, you can sew it down. It's up to you. Now I will take my Kinky Twist and I will open the loop at the top of the braid and install it just like you would with any other crochet hair. To get the proper fullness that I want towards the back, I'm starting off at the back. As I gradually move up the back of my head, I will then switch to the top of my hair. I switch to the top because, as you guys know, it's very important to focus on the top part of your hair because that's the part of your hair that's going to cover over the rest. Time and time again, I see many people with a full back, but then once it gets towards the top, the part that everyone sees, it's skimpy. Make sure your back is full, but always make sure that your top is good too. You guys, no kidding, I probably filled this in under 30 minutes. Once you have installed the back of your hair, you're going to move on to the next step, which would be the front installment. These are going to be single kinky twists. This part right here is very important because this is the part of your hair that fools everyone else into believing you have a full set of kinky twists. For this portion of the installment, I'm going to be using Eco Styler gel. You can use any gel of your choice. It does not matter. I will part the hair off, then I will proceed to braid the kinky twist hair down. I will braid down maybe 4 to 5 times. Split the hair, add gel, and begin twisting. I will twist all the way down until I can't twist anymore. And I would do this all over my perimeter or my front area. Let you guys know about this new app by Supreme. With this app, you can purchase the hair at a discounted price with just 3 easy steps. Step 1, you'll sign up in the app by entering your contact information, and the app will store your information so that you can easily log in next time, and also so that you can place and track your orders. Step 2, you will choose from their premium collection of pre-stretched expression hair, crochet hair, even the hair I'm using right now. Step 3, pay for your order. I'm going to put the app link down below and any other information associated with this app. The last step is going to be to snip your ends. And I say snip because if you want to have that nice little curl on the tip, you don't want to cut it, because then it's going to turn into a blunt cut. So when we're snipping, we're only snipping off the fuzzy hair. I want to say thank you so much to Toyokalon and Supreme for providing great hair that I can work with. I will be leaving all of their information down below in my description box. I also want to point out that this video is a remake of my first viral video ever, which was this actual hairstyle. So, woohoo! We made it! Back then, I never thought that I would be here. So it is such a blessing. I also want to say happy Valentine's Day to everyone out there watching. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, thumbs this video up if it was helpful, and follow me under my social media accounts under TDay6. If you decide to recreate this style, tag me on Instagram so that I can see your work. And if they ask you, tell them TDay6 taught you. Y'all be blessed.